Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a whittling tutorial with my knives. So I got my two knives here, and I got my pencil. That's going to move with. So I just there we go. Okay, so these are my knives. Tip is broken off that one. I got this one today. It's brand new. My dad gave it to me. We switched. So camel and then blue. Yeah. And all of them, all knives have different ways of shredding. For example, see this little knife here? Yeah, you have to press that, hold it in, and you can close it, get a knife, and then you can put it under your pants, which I'm going to be doing tomorrow. Bring this, I'm going to use both over to my friend's Mason's house. Yeah, there's that one. And on this one, you can see this right here. Yeah, you push it in, hold it, right down, and then like that. Here, this thing that's sticking out, that you could hook on your pants. Yeah. And yeah. So, both blades. These are very dangerous. So don't mess with them. No. Yeah. So, I don't actually want this. So yeah. Well, so what you want to do, you want to hold the knife like this, and just do that and then this. As you can see, it chipped off that piece right there. So, same thing with any other knife. Without the tip, it doesn't matter because you're not going to be stabbing anything. Yeah, you do not want to face it towards someone. Like, you do not want to do it like this. You don't want to. See how it's like this? Yeah, you don't want to turn it this way to where the knife is facing towards you. Before you go like this. Yeah, you could easily slice your hand or something else. So yeah, see? Put it on. That's yeah. Go ahead. Put that one and then yeah. Go around this circle. I think it's such a good idea. Do it more PlayStation right there. And there we go. See, and do all the way around it. And yeah. Okay, here's a helpful tip. Whenever someone's near you, stretch your arms out like this. Stretch them completely out. And then they're around you, spin in a circle. See if you hit them. If you do, back up a little bit. And then those ones if you don't want to. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, I'll see you later.